Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our breakaway C box breaks for the 2013-2014 Panini Playbook box break number 10. Here's the last one for auction. There's Edmonton. I've got a show announcement to make. On our website, I'll zoom in. breakawayc.com. We got some pretty cool group breaks going on tonight. We have a Playbook Team Select case break. We have 3 cases we're doing tonight. How it works is there's predetermined prices per team. So all you have to do is click on the button here and it'll take you right to the page. And it'll show you the remaining teams available and the price. It also shows you the email address to send PayPal payment if you're interested. And also, if you hit the register button, register on our website, in the month of April and May, we're giving away a free box of 1314 SP Authentic to one lucky person that signs up in the month of April and May. So if you're interested, it'd be great to have you on our website. Let's get on with the break. Some of them are just a little bit hard to see, so I'm going to cut the plastic first. There we go, it's NE206-535-686. That's NE206-535-686. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Here are the rookie breakout jersey of John Merrill for the Devils, 1/199. Got a base card for the Islanders of John Tavares, 51/249. And we have a booklet of Nick Bugstad for the Panthers. It is number 8/25. There we go. Nice dual prime jersey, autograph. Nice looking hit for the Panthers, Nick Bugstad, to finish off the break. So thank you very much, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.